This is Maria. She is a nurse from Spain. She works very hard at a hospital in Madrid, but today she is far from home. Maria is exhausted. She has been on a plane for 14 hours. Her back hurts, her eyes feel heavy, and she has only one thought. She needs to sleep. When you arrive at your hotel, you need to tell the staff you have a room waiting. You can say, "Hello, I have a booking." She arrives in New York City at night. The city is full of bright lights and loud sounds. It is very different from her quiet home, and the tall buildings make her feel very small. Even though the city is beautiful, Maria is too tired to enjoy it. She just wants to find her hotel and close her eyes. At the hotel, a young man named David welcomes her, but when he looks at his computer, his smile disappears. He looks at Maria, then back at the screen, and he looks worried. Look at this timeline. The time to leave has passed, but the person in Maria's room is still inside. Even though Maria already paid $600, her room is not ready. Maria feels a cold wave of worry. She has traveled so far and spent so much money. Now the one thing she needs, a bed, is missing. If the staff looks confused or unhappy, you can ask them what is happening. Use this phrase, "Is there a problem?" Maria is now standing in the lobby at her lowest point. She is thousands of miles from home, and she has nowhere to go. Maria is too tired to get angry or shout. Instead, she feels a few tears come to her eyes because she is simply worn out. She speaks softly to David. She tells him about her 14-hour flight. She explains that she isn't looking for a fight. She is just looking for a place to rest. Sometimes you need to tell someone exactly what you need in a simple way. You can say, "I just want to sleep." While Maria waits, she sees other guests walk into the lobby. They look happy and full of energy. They get their keys, smile at David, and walk to the elevators. Maria is honest with David about how she feels. She doesn't demand things. She just tells him the truth about her long day. Watch the clock. 10 minutes pass, then 20. Maria sits in a small chair for 40 minutes, waiting for any news. She remembers her mother's words, "Be patient, Maria." She takes a deep breath, trying to stay calm, even though she is incredibly tired. Finally, David comes back to her. Maria looks up slowly. Her eyes are red from crying, and she wonders if he has more bad news. When you are in a difficult situation and really need assistance, you can say, "Please, please help me." Maria has waited a long time without becoming angry. She is exhausted, but she is still being polite to the staff. David is smiling now. He tells Maria that he has good news. Because she had to wait so long, the hotel wants to give her something much better than her old room. David is moving her to a luxury suite on the 42nd floor. This room is much larger and usually costs $800 a night. He tells her the room is completely free. He also gives her a free breakfast for her whole trip and a free dinner tonight at the hotel restaurant. When someone gives you a truly wonderful gift and you are very surprised, you can ask, "Free? Really? For me?" David saw how patient Maria was during a hard time. He wants to help her because she was kind to him, so he gives her the best room in the hotel. Maria walks into the room and gasps. It is huge. There is a soft king-size bed and a box of chocolates waiting on a table. She looks out of the large window. High above the city, she can see all the green trees in Central Park and the small lights of the city below. When you are feeling very happy and want to show your deep thanks, say, "Thank you. Thank you so much." Maria lies down on the soft bed. She isn't crying anymore. She is smiling. She falls asleep and stays asleep for 13 long hours. Maria's story shows us that being polite can change everything. Even when you have a big problem with your language, people always want to help you if you are kind. Next time you have a hard day, remember Maria. Stay patient, speak slowly, and maybe your day will end with a beautiful surprise too.